This is all Temptations. You get a 6-piece set of glove, mitt, and 2 trivets. Show us what we're getting, and we'll remind you that we have this in large and small. However, we are getting super limited in some sizes and some colors.
Got it. So it all started with our gloves, silicone on the front and the back. These gloves are amazing because you can literally go in the oven, put a boiling tea kettle on them, and literally feel no heat transfer. This weave you loved so much that you asked us, could we incorporate it into our mini mitts? Many of you love the mini mitts. They're usually included in one of our bakeware sets. So the fact that you now have this as part of your system for going in your Oster, going in your microwave, super great. Then we included 2 of our most popular size trivets, because once you have the bakers and you're coming out of the oven, you need a place to put them. So we have your small 11 by 7, your large 13 by 9, and they actually even become the housing to hold your mitts, to hold your gloves, and they have a little hoop here so that you can hang these, so you know, a little hoop, so you know where everything is at all times.
Okay, now it comes in large and small. Now, ladies and guys, if you are shopping and you have bigger hands, or you have someone on your gift list who has bigger hands, I have meat hooks like a gorilla, okay? Just putting it out there. These fit me fine. You know where I can always tell when a glove doesn't fit well?
In here?
Here.
Yes, exactly.
If you don't have it meeting your hands in between your fingers and it looks webbed like a duck, it's too small. This fits me just fine.
Love it.
Now, these are clearance priced, so it's important to know that just in this show, we've taken 22,000 orders. When we sell out of any color or size, these are not coming back. We cannot get a reorder on these. So what we wanted to do was take a top shelf item and bring it to you at a rock bottom price. However, when they're gone for good. Now, let's review colors. Remember, large and small available in each, and I'll try to update you as we go along. Now, in the blue, small 800, large 300. Red, very popular in both sizes, large and small. Green, small 500, large 400.
Wow.
In the black, small only 1100, large is sold out in the black.
Got it.
Teal trellis, small 2100, large 2000. Green palm, small 1200, large 450. Gray damask, small 1900, large 900, and polka dot. Also incredibly popular. This is $19.98. You heard me say earlier with the mini loaf bakers. For less than a $20 bill, you're getting 6 pieces that will allow you to retrieve with the dexterity of a glove, because they are gloves. Individual mini mitts, set of 2, and then 2 different size trivets. Let's head back, and remind you, $57.92 at retail. We are $37.94 less, and with free shipping, $43.44 less delivered to your door.
Amazing.
This is a crazy good deal. QVC.com and mobile app's the best way to get in. Let's go to the oven where Tara's going to retrieve one of her mini loaf bakers.
And this is why I created them. First of all, you have that nice long cuff here, because inevitably when you're reaching in, I always bump the rack, bump the side. You never have to worry about it. You literally can pull that rack out with your hand, grab one of the mini loaves, if you just saw we were just sharing those with you, and now you can bring that out and bring it to the table. That's what we love. You can use one of your trivets if you want to, as of course the little mini mitt as a trivet. And the best part, when we talk about why it was created, silicone on the front and the back, so there's no right hand, there's no left hand, but I can literally take a boiling tea kettle, now this is an extreme demo, and put it on my hand and literally feel no heat. I'll put it on Mr. V's hand, and now this is an extreme demo. If you were taking a skillet off the stove, you could put that on your hand. You can put this on your hand.
Something hot off the grill.
Yes, off the grill, which is a big deal, right?
Which is
what do you feel?
super, super hot. Well, I feel a little warm.
Right.
But it's not screaming hot, because I'm not screaming. Yeah, look at my face. Do I look like I'm wincing? Look real quick.
Yeah. Hello.
Look up here.
Hey.
Am I wincing? No. No wincing.
No wincing.
Right.
No wincing for David.
24,000 now ordered in this show.
Wow.
And here's a little animation on the multi-layers here.
Yeah,
right?
so when we talk about whether it's your gloves, whether it's your mitts, there's layer upon layer of safety on your hands. It starts with the multi-layer fabric, and then we incorporate the silicone on top. Why? It creates a non-slip grip in your kitchen. When you're going in and out of the oven up to 500 degrees, you can bring it to the table and put it on the trivet. You can bring it to the microwave and use the trivet in the microwave to take things in and out. And then, of course, you can use it in your Oster ovens, your KitchenAid ovens, those small tabletop ovens, as well as, to David's point, taking it out to the barbecue. The best part, you're just going to throw it right in the washing machine to wash it and air dry it. Because of that silicone, you don't want to put it in the dryer.
Over 25,000 now spoken for. 700 people on the phone lines. You're going to get the large and the medium-sized trivet. You're also going to get the little mini mitts.
Love these.
And grab your gloves out of there.
Okay, yes, yes,
because
sir.
then you also get the gloves as well. All of this coming together. If you want blue, 400 small only, large is sold out.
Wow.
In the red, we have both sizes available, but super popular, most popular.
Love that red.
In the green, 400 small, 300 large. In the black, 800 small only, large is sold out. Teal trellis, 2,000 small, 1,900 large. Green palm, 1,100 small, 300 large. Gray damask, 1,600 small, 600 large, and very popular is polka dot. You're getting all 6 pieces. Let me just show you real quickly.
Oh,
you
have the gloves. You got them.
Oh, I do. What am I thinking about? Okay, I'll just put my hands on the table.
Yeah, there
you go. You get all of this for a $20 bill. Ordinarily, I would use my hands to gesture. So you get all this and this for a $20 bill. And do you get 6 easy payments? Yes. Do you get free shipping? You bet you do. If you're wondering how much you might save over the regular retail price with the free shipping all total, you're looking at $43, $44 less delivered to your doorstep. Buy more than one set of these if you want to decorate or use them seasonally.
Yes.
So if you're thinking about Christmas time, maybe the red or the green, maybe the teal trellis is what you use in the spring, or maybe you have mostly blue bakers from Temptations, or green or red or black. If you got any of the grays, that gray damask would work very nicely back to that. Stainless steel appliances, the gray damask
beautiful,
would work
and they all have the hooks so you can hang them too. Here I was showing you that actually helps with that silicone to be able to open things with your dexterity. So this is another thing I'll show you real quick. This is my mom's idea and it's brilliant. She does it all the time. She says to me, what I love about this, honey, is that I can take this right off the stove, and because my wrists are not that strong, I can slide my hand under my big stock pot. I can slide my hand under something, and then it gives me the safety when I'm going and straining something that I don't have to worry about burning things because I can hold it the way I need to hold it. That's what's so fantastic about the technology in the gloves that now have been incorporated into the mini mitts, that have now been incorporated into your trivets. All of these pieces coming together, 6 pieces to use around your kitchen because you need the right tool in your kitchen for the right job.
28,000 ordered now in this show alone. QVC.com and mobile apps are going to be your best way to go, and blue just sold out.
Completely? You're going to love it.
Let me take mine off there.
And you know what I love you were saying? If you're thinking about gifting these, you could keep the gloves for yourself, give the mitts away, give the trivets away, give one trivet away. You could have a lot of fun incorporating these into some of the gifts for your foodie friends, and it's nice to break that up for $20.
Red, large and small, still available. In the green, large and small, 200 small, 200 large. Black, large is sold out, 500 small only. Teal trellis, I have both sizes, 1,800 each. Green palm, 1,000 small, 200 large, that's all. Gray damask,
I love the damask.
1,300 small, 250 large, and very popular in the polka dot. We're now approaching 30,000 ordered just in this show. Tara is coming back tonight on Now You're Cooking at 7 p.m. Eastern
Actually,
time.
it's a temptation show.
Is it a whole hour of
It's a
Temptations?
whole hour.
Fun. So that's going to be great. 7 p.m. Eastern time. Tara will be back for that. And I'm getting ready for Lennox flatware.
Ooh, okay.
Have fun tonight.
Thank you. We're launching our dips. Dip, dip, hooray.
Oh, dip, dip, hooray. I tasted them the other night. They are delicious. All right, let's move along. And welcome back, Miss Ellie King. She's here with Lennox, and we debuted this fantastic sale price. Come in here. Bring it on in. Nice to see you, Angel.
You too.
Ellie brought this